Hello everyone! So ito yung sis Joanne nyo guys. Walking na naman tayo at this moment guys. Bakit man ito parang may sumasabay naman sa akin na langaw guys? Ayan, yung gis natin guys. Bakit kaya? Gusto ng langaw sa akin mag-ano guys. Sinamahan din tayo. So yan. Dito guys. Refreshing. Maraming mga kahoy guys. Ayan. Hello guys, good morning sa inyong lahat dyan guys. How's your day everyone? To all of you, have a nice day. So, kumusta ang morning nyo dyan guys? Ito ang routine natin, no? Of course, busy tayo sa ating pa-beauty routine pa guys in every morning. So, ako guys, ang pa-beauty ko guys is meron lang ako ng kilay. Very simple lang guys, makalagay tayo ng mga cream and then kilay, and then mag-powder tayo, and then may lipstick guys. So, it's enough for me guys. Okay na yan sa akin guys. Ang importante, hindi talaga tayo yung pagtingin sa atin ba guys na mukhang wala talagang pera ba. Kahit low budget yung ano natin guys, yung pa-beauty natin, okay na yan. Enough na yan guys. Ang mahalaga is, ano lang guys, yung hindi ba din talaga sobrang dry ang mukha natin, no? Ang face natin. Yung may kaano ba din guys, may kabuhay-buhay ba din tingnan nila guys, no? Kahit low budget yan, okay na yan guys. Wala na yung problema dyan. Basta may lipstick lang tayong namula-pula dyan. Ay nako guys, si Mining din andyan din. So actually nag-coffee pa din ako guys, no? Sarap. So I hope na nakapag-breakfast na din kayo dyan guys, at nakapag-coffee na din. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you. Tapos tayo sa ating Papa Beauty guys. Charis. Of course naman guys, hindi talaga ito makalimutan, no? In every morning, my daily routine guys. Simpleng pa-beauty lang tayo guys kasi low budget tayo guys. Diba? So, yan lang. May lipstick lang guys, may kilay, brows, and then pulbos. Okay na yan guys. Okay na yan sa akin. It's enough na guys. Ayan. As you can see guys, very simple beauty. So, while guys, we have coffee. Gutom ako guys. Sarap. So, yun lang guys. Have a blessed day to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching everyone. Ingat kayo palagi guys kung saan kayo. So, have a blessed day. See you next again. Bye! Thank you so much!